to the next team. This is the 8th team for today. This is Asia Regenerative Medicine 深圳华源再生医学有限公司 from mainland China. Now, Asia Regenerative Medicine focuses on the research and development of organ repairing and regeneration. You have 5 minutes. Please jumpstart your dreams now.
Thank you. ARM is producing artificial organs to cure critical organ disease to extend life. Next page. For the last 25 years, I have been involved in producing smaller organs like teeth, joints. By recent years, we found that technology is ready now to produce major organs. This represents a paradigm shift in Medicare industry. And next page. To obtain high-quality organs for transplantation, there are two routes. The first one was xeno organs, modifying the genes of pigs. However, this facing a lot of challenges, especially in ethics. We are taking the route of biofabrication. Basically, you use tissue engineering and cell technology to synthesize to get the functional organs for transplantation. Next page. For the last 3 years, we look at all the major organs, and we identify the pancreas, kidney, and liver as the 3 major organs, which technically quite matured, and also with multi-billion dollars market potential. And after launch, the products are relatively medically lower risk. Next page. Take kidney, for example. Kidney failure, the global cost every year is about $100 billion. In China, it's about 100 billion RMB. And 1% patients luckily can get donor donations. However, 99% are staying in bed for dialysis, which is 3 times a week, 4 hours a day. It is a huge burden financially and socially. And we need kidney organ badly. Next page. Cell technology and material science made it possible now to make artificial kidney for transplantation. Besides the xeno kidney, the 3 companies in the world are developing such products: UCSF, ARM, that's us, and also Harvard Aviva Medical, which is also sponsored by ARM, by us. So we are looking at market kidney in 5 to 7 years. Next page. Take pancreas, for example. It's diabetes. It's less than $100 billion per year. Current treatment is basically taking shots, insulin shots or drugs, which cannot cure the diabetes. In the long run, you still get blindness, kidney failure, diabetic feet. Again, cell technology like islet production and material science made it possible to make artificial pancreas. Next page. There are about 20 companies in the world are doing artificial pancreas. And 2 companies in the United States actually are on human being in the 2nd phase and are ready for market probably within 3 years. This is a much more matured solution. To show the attractiveness, one company again from Harvard, SEMA, just was sold for $1 billion. This company is still at the lab stage. Next. ARM is building organ-focused companies. We have about 26 professionals scattered around southern China, and we have 18 contracted scientists. Totally, we have 8 labs in Wuhan, Shenzhen, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. Next. Our founders mainly are organ transplant surgeons from Hong Kong University, Zhunshan University, and also cell scientists and material scientists. Myself, I was the vice president for GSK, the largest British pharmaceutical company. SmithKline Beecham is an American company before. And also I worked at McKinsey, Hong Kong, as a specialist in healthcare. I was involved in about 100 healthcare companies over the last 25 years. And totally, our founders committed $15 million US for this company, and that's about 100 million Hong Kong dollars. Next, our kidney company or product is the first one in Asia, probably the only one at this stage. Okay, the organ rebuild industry requires in-depth knowledge of cell technology, material technology, and we're committed to do it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nicely done. Thank you for that presentation. Judges, it is now your time for the Q&A.
Hi, I saw that you've already raised 15 million. How much more money do you think you would need to raise in order to really build, for example, an artificial kidney that's fully functioning for a patient?
Thank you. The 15 million actually committed by our funders, myself, 70% of it. We'll commit more if necessary. For one organ, like a simple one, like a pancreas, we believe 50 million US dollars is sufficient. But for larger and a complex organ like a kidney, will take over 100 million US dollars, and it takes 5 to 7 years to develop. And the pancreas is easier. We're looking at to market it within 3 to 4 years. So with our own capital, we probably make a first-generation pancreas to the market, but then we need to raise at least another 100 million for the total 2 products.
Thank you. I see that Raymond has a question.
And what about a liver?
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Liver is not as critical at this stage because there are ex vivo artificial liver products in the pipeline already. We believe pancreas and kidney are most needed, and there's no alternative at this stage. So for liver product, again, it's another 50 million US dollars. Organ industry is an emerging industry, and we believe this needs multiple hundreds, even billion dollars to build the whole value chain.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Raymond has a question, and he wants to know what your priorities are. Is it liver, pancreas, kidney, or heart? Thank you.
Definitely not heart, because heart product is very dangerous. If product doesn't work, the patient would die on the street. At this stage, our first product to market is pancreas. We have more professionals working on pancreas. We want to be the first one in China. But in terms of market potential, kidney is very important. So we view short-term pancreas, medium-term kidney, and heart very long-term. When we have all the facilities, the value chain ready, we probably tackle heart.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And it looks like time is up. Thank you so much for the Q&A session, everybody.